Hello everyone. The family of Bafana Sithole from War School, Krill in Mpumalanga made it clear that they want the school to be held accountable for his death. The 17-year-old died by suicide after being allegedly falsely accused of raping a fellow pupil. He was found hanging in one of the classrooms shortly after writing an exam almost 2 weeks ago. The Krill School has since released a statement on its Facebook page saying while Sithole's death is a tragedy, the people should refrain from spreading unfounded allegations. The mother of Bafana has buried her son this past weekend and is still confused about what exactly happened. Bafana's mother told Eyewitness News that it's painful even if Bafana had raped that girl, even if it was going to affect the school, they were supposed to wait for the police. There must be a case opened against Bafana before they take action. And they are pursuing legal action against the school, including the Provincial Department of Education. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.